Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to add Roku TV to Google Home. Let's go. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install Roku app. Add your Roku device to the Roku app. After that, open the Google Home app. Devices. Add works with Google. Find Roku. Continue. Link your Roku account to your Google Home account. After that, all devices from Roku app will be added to the Google Home app. That's it. Now you know how to add Roku TV to Google Home. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.